Hi guys, welcome back to ASAP. So in today's video, we are going to see how to create rules to filter your emails. So if you want to create filters in your email, what I have to do, I have to just click on search mail, and in that I have to click on show search options. So after clicking on that, I have to put the mail on which I have to create the filter. So I just, for example, I'm going to put it here. And after that, the create filter button would be visible here. I have to just click on that. And after clicking on that, whatever the rules I want to set for that filter would be visible here. So I can select however I want. So I would be just selecting as star it, and after that categorize as primary. And after selecting the rules here, I have to just click on create filter. So once I do this, filter has been created according to my needs. And if I want to set a filter for a particular message, I just have to go to that message, and after that I just have to go to more option, and in more option I have to click on filter messages like this. So once I do that, I have to click on create filter, and whatever the rules I want to change here, I can just click on those. So I can just click on apply the labels. After that I can click on always mark it as important, and once I click on create filter has been created for that message itself. So if I want to see that I want to edit and delete those filter, so for that I have to go to the gear icon, which is settings, and in settings I have to click on see all settings. In the settings option I have to click on filter and block addresses. So here whatever the filters that I have been created, so that those are visible here. So let's suppose if I want to edit any filter, I just have to click on the option with respect to that filter, edit, and I have to click on continue. So whatever the rules I want to change here, I can just change here, and after that I have to just click on update filter. So that filter gets edited as well as updated. And if I want to delete any particular filter, I just have to click on the delete option next to that filter. It will ask me to delete once again, and after that clicking on OK, the filters get deleted. If I want to export that particular filter, I just have to click on this button. After that I have to just click on export. So we can see our filter got exported here, and if I want to import that filter, I just have to click on import. After select on the browse and selecting the filter, I can import that respective filter. So this is how we create filter in Gmail. So I hope you like this video guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next one. Thank you.